Welcome to Fabric Monday. Today we'll talk about using aggregations with Lakehouses. In a previous video, we talked about a comparison of performance between different access methods, and I mentioned the possibility of aggregations using SQL on the Lakehouse. Let's see an example of this. Here I'm on Power BI Desktop. Let's get data from our Lakehouse. I'll get data from the sales Lakehouse, but I will not make a direct connection. I will connect using the SQL endpoint. I'll get the fact sale table and load it. I'll choose the direct query method because the fact sale table has 50 million of records. It's done. Now I'll go to the Lakehouse again. Same Lakehouse, sales Lakehouse, using connect to SQL endpoint again. And you'll get the fact grouped table. This table has the information from the fact sale aggregated by year and month and totalized. Let's load this table. This time I will choose import because this is a very small table. I have both tables visible for me, but let's go to the model, right click on fact grouped and choose manage aggregations. I will very quickly configure the aggregations for this table. That's it, the aggregations are configured. I'm telling that my data is aggregated by year and month, grouped by year and month, and have the sum of tax amount, total excluding tax, and total including tax, and apply. This turns this import table into an aggregation. This means that I will not see this table anymore on my model. I will see only fact sale, but Power BI by itself will decide when to use that table. Let's make one visual. Year, month, and total including tax. Year and month. And here we have a visual with the information by year and month. Let's order by year and month. Order ascending by month. I have here my visual, but what is really happening? Well, I have one table which uses direct query and another table which uses import. Which table is being used? Let's discover by going in Optimize, Performance Analyzer, Start Recording, and ask to refresh visuals. It was very fast. And what is most interesting is the fact that there is no direct query on the sequence of steps. This means that the aggregation is being used. Let's copy the DEX query. I'll save this file. And publish. Let's select the workspace sales models. That's it. It's published. Now I'm on the Power BI portal, looking to the sales model workspace, and I can see the semantic model report which I just published. Let's test the performance using DEX Studio. Let's use workspace settings, copy the workspace address, and in Index Studio, I'll pass the workspace address and connect. That's it, the connection is done. Let's enable server timings, paste, clear cache, and then execute. The first set of execution took 1641 milliseconds, and we can note that most of this time was took by the formula engine, and it used the fact grouped table because the aggregation contains the data for the visual, the data for this DEX query. Let's clear the cache again and execute one more time. Execute. This time the execution went down to 157 milliseconds. This is comparable with the direct lake timing. Yes, it's a bit above the direct lake timing, but it's comparable to direct lake timing. In fact, by using aggregations and import mode in SQL, we reach timing similar to the direct lake timing over tables of 50 million of records, with the advantage that we can still make a composite model. Am I saying that the SQL option is better than direct lake? No. I'm saying that it's an option which allows us to use aggregations while we can't use aggregations yet with direct link. Thank you for watching and see you next week.